children, good morning. Today I'm going to start the revision with true or false. All of you open your periodic test 2 revision papers, children. In your previous classes you have done the revision in hard words, meanings, fill in the blanks, right? And in today's class I'm going to start the revision with true or false. See the first one. Forest refers to natural vegetation. Yes, forests are formed naturally. So it's a natural vegetation. So this statement is true. Forest refers to natural vegetation. This statement is true. Second one. Evergreen forests have tall trees such as ebony, rosewood and mahogany. Evergreen forests have tall trees such as ebony, rosewood and mahogany. Yes, this statement is also true. Evergreen forest consists of tall trees such as ebony, rosewood and mahogany. Third one. Deciduous forests are found in some parts of West Bengal, Odisha, the northeastern states and in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Yes, this statement is true. Deciduous forests are found in some parts of the West Bengal, Odisha, northeastern states and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay. Fourth question. Kaziranga National Park is known for its wild asses. Yes, Kaziranga National Park is known for its wild asses. This statement is also true. Next one. Kanha National Park is in Gujarat. No, Kanha National Park doesn't place in Gujarat. So this statement is false. Next one. Minerals occur in the open areas. Do minerals occur in the open areas? No, we have to dig them. So this statement is also false statement. Next one. Metallic minerals are those from which metals can be extracted. Yes, metals can be extracted from the metallic minerals. This statement is true. Metallic minerals are those from which metals can be extracted. Yes. Eighth one. Limestone is a metallic mineral. Limestone is a non-metallic mineral. So this statement is false. Limestone is not a metallic mineral. Okay, this statement is false. Next one. Odisha has large deposits of aluminium. Odisha has large deposits of aluminium. Yes, this statement is true. Odisha has a large deposits of aluminium. Next, minerals are non-renewable in nature. Minerals are non-renewable in nature. Yes, this statement is true. Minerals are non-renewable. So we have to preserve them. This statement is true. Next, energy can only be derived from substances made by humans. No, energy can be made by humans as well as naturally even. So energy can only be derived from substances made by humans. This statement is false. Next, solar energy is harnessed using pressure cookers. Solar energy is not harnessed using pressure cookers. So this statement is false. Next, resources are of two types. Natural resources and human-made resources. Yes. We have two types of resources, children. Natural resources and human-made resources. So, resources are of two types. This statement is true. Next. Natural gas is produced from coal. Natural gas is produced from coal. No, natural gas is not produced from coal. So, this statement is false, children. Next, coal is an important mineral used for generating heat and electricity. Yes. Coal is used to generate heat and electricity. This statement is true. Okay. So these are the true or false, children. Next we see match the following. Okay. And we have complete the following table. Complete the following table. I will tell you at the end of the revision paper. Okay. Now see match the following. First one. Babul. Babul. Option B. Thorny. Babul. Thorny. Next. Rosewood. Rosewood we call them as rosewood trees. We call them as option C. Evergreen forest. Babul. Thorny. Rosewood. Evergreen. Third one. Sundari. Option A. Mangroves. Sundari. Option A. Mangroves. Fourth one. Spruce. Spruce belongs to mountainous. Spruce. Mountain. Fifth one. Mahua. Mahua. Option D. Deciduous forest. Mahua. Deciduous. Again, I am going to repeat match the following. Children, listen carefully. Babul. Thorny. Rosewood. Evergreen. Sundari. Mangroves. Spruce. Mountain. Mahua. Deciduous. So these are the match the following, children. Okay. You prepare well. Okay. You prepare well for the examinations. You do the today's revision part, true or false, and match the following. Prepare well for these two topics. Okay. So not only these two topics, children, you have to prepare well for your examinations. Okay. You have to cover full portion. So prepare well for the exams. Bye, children. Thank you.